Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to block a number on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin. First we want to go to our contacts. And now we want to locate the number we want to block. For me it's the HardReset.Info hater, we don't really like that guy. Now we want to we actually don't want to hit anything, we can scroll down. And right here we can see block numbers. We can click it. And now we can block our number. We can also report it as spam, but I'm not going to do that. We simply hit block. And as you can see now, the HardReset.Info hater has a little block icon right here, meaning that is blocked and cannot reach us. If we want to unblock him, we can always scroll all the way down once again and simply go to unblock number. We hit unblock, and now our HardReset.Info hater is unblocked. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.